How to turn off page away message on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off page away message on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one here, pages, and select your page. And now just click this settings icon in the top corner and click messaging, and then just click your away message, not this one away message, click on it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.